Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because today we're talking about one of my favorite things, packing for a luxury trip. It's not just about throwing things in a suitcase. It's about curating your experience before you even leave home. Let's make sure you arrive feeling chic, prepared, and totally stress-free. First up, the luggage itself. Investing in quality luggage is a game changer. A sleek, durable hard-shell suitcase and a stylish, functional carry-on tow tie essentials for my carry-on. I love something with compartments that can hold my laptop, travel documents, a good book, and my in-flight essentials kit. Think a hydrating face mist, lip balm, silk eye mask, and noise-cancelling headphones. Trust me, these small touches make a world of difference on a long flight. Now, let's talk clothes. The key here is versatility. My secret weapon is a capsule wardrobe built around a neutral color palette like black, white, beige, and navy. This makes mixing and matching effortless. For a week-long trip, I'll pack a few high-quality basics, a couple of silk blouses, a cashmere sweater, well-fitting trousers, and a pair of dark wash jeans. Then, I'll add a statement piece, like a vibrant dress or a beautifully tailored blazer, that can be dressed up for a fancy dinner or dressed down for exploring the city. This strategy saves so much space and decision-making time. For footwear, comfort doesn't mean sacrificing style. I always pack 3 pairs, a chic pair of flats or designer sneakers for walking, an elegant pair of heels or dress shoes for evenings, and a Versace. A pair of sandals or loafers that can go from day to night. And don't forget the accessories, a few carefully chosen pieces, like a silk scarf, a statement necklace, or a classic watch, can instantly elevate any outfit. They take up minimal space but have a major impact. Finally, let's organize it all. Packing cubes are your best friend. They keep everything tidy, compressed, and easy to find. I use one for tops, one for bottoms, and one for underwear and sleepwear. I also use a separate pouch for my electronics and chargers, and a dedicated, leak-proof bag for my toiletries. Decanting your favorite products into travel-sized containers is a must. It saves space and ensures you have all your trusted skincare with you. And there you have it, my guide to packing for a luxury getaway. It's all about being intentional, choosing quality over quantity, and setting yourself up for an incredible, seamless journey. I hope these tips help you pack for your next adventure in style. Let me know in the comments if you have any go-to luxury packing tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you next time.